At this point, we've got our course in good shape, so we need to price and package it for publishing. Thinkific has fairly flexible pricing options, but I'm going to price this course as a one-time payment. This is fitting for my type of audience, and it's also more fitting given the fact that I'll launch my lessons all at once when the course goes live. But the functionality does exist to charge a subscription, to charge a monthly payment, and even to set up additional payment plans. I'm going to charge $99, and I'll let my students have lifetime access, so I'll leave enrollment duration blank. Let's save primary pricing, and here, Thinkific has flagged that products can't be purchased if payments setup isn't complete. That's because we need a method to receive payment when our students enroll. Let's set up our payments now. That's going to open in a new tab. In another helpful message, Thinkific states your email must be verified to enable a card processor. If you go to the email that you signed up with, you'll see a welcome email, likely, and you have a verification email that they would have sent you first. And if you confirm, that will bring you back to your dashboard. Let's close this new tab and my email inbox. And if we refresh on our original tab, Thinkific has recognized that we've verified our account. Thinkific payments are powered by Stripe, so I'm going to set up Thinkific payments here, and that will start to walk you through your Stripe setup if you don't have an account already. Now, I've hidden my personal details here, but Stripe setup will ask for your legal name, your email address, your date of birth, your home address, your phone number, and at least in the United States, your social security number. Click continue. On the review page, you might want to change a few things. Under professional details, it's going to show your Thinkific site URL by default, but you could change that to a personal website and embed your Thinkific offering in that if you'd like. You also might want to edit your public details. For instance, the descriptor shown on customer statements defaults, in my case, to Dan's site, and that's not super helpful for people. I might change that to something a bit more descriptive, yet still broad, in case I sell other courses or offerings in the future. The email that you signed up with is also going to pre-populate as the customer support email, so you could change that if you need it as well. I'll cancel this. Finally, I'll agree and submit. Now that Stripe is set up, you would want to add your bank account details so that you can actually be paid in the future. Once we close that tab, we're back in our original workflow. We're on the pricing page. If we refresh, our primary price of $99 is saved, and there's no more message asking us to add payments.